Growing up in a small town of Vermont, I was surrounded by small and large sugaring operations. I was able to experience everything from a small backyard operation to something as large as a 12,000 pound commercial sugar bush. Being exposed to two very different methods sparked my interest in the art of sugar making. After sugaring for about 2 years of my own, I was looking to upgrade to a more modern setup to allow for a better quality product, but I was unable to because of cost. I was constantly faced with problems of not being able to draw off the maple syrup at the right consistency, either too thick or too watery because of the inability to accurately take readings because of high temperature. So I set out to fix my own problem. Using some hobby electronics, such as an Arduino microcontroller, a temperature sensor, a Red Hat solenoid valve, a step-up transformer, and a triac transistor, I was able to create a fully functional solenoid valve draw-off system that is a lot cheaper than the standard uh, stainless steel actuated ball valve system that you can buy from most larger sugaring operations. The best way to describe how this works is the Arduino has a temperature sensor that is inside of the maple syrup. When the maple syrup reaches 220 degrees, it sends a signal to the triac, which then triggers the circuit to open up the solenoid valve, and the solenoid valve will stay open until the temperature drops below 220 degrees when you know that you're not drawing off sap versus maple syrup. And let's page and some of the challenges I experienced is keeping electronics sealed. It was in such a hot environment that it was a struggle to keep the silicone in place and make a nice seal so that water vapor did not get inside the box and wreck the electronics, and using the Arduino to trigger the triac because of how low the voltage was put out on the Arduino. To further this product, some things I could change before it's introduced to the consumer is using a more accurate temperature measuring device, as well as a permanent containment unit could be installed to increase the device's longevity, as well as the quality of product that is being drawn off, so it's more accurate, closer to the temperature that's needed. Or introducing the product to some larger sugaring companies such as IPA or CDL, and making sure it's certified by like UL, so it's more desirable. I'd like to show my design to some of the small sugar makers as an inexpensive upgrade to making their sugar operating safer. I built this device to help sugar makers like myself stay in the loop without spending the fortune of being commercial. Thank you.